If you're a baddie and you're having a bad day or you're feeling insecure or you just broke up with a man, go to Jamaica and walk down the street. Walk down any street. It will immediately revitalize your confidence.
Yo, Jamaican people are the only people that could insult you and give you a compliment at the same time. The last time I was in Jamaica, this dude had stopped me and my baby father and he was like, Bombad. He was like, your baby mother fat and nice. Like, excuse me, so why I can't just be nice? Then this one shop lady like, your belly big but your face pretty.
Great TikTok to tell you guys all of the things I have heard since walking down this beach in Jamaica right now. All of the lovely compliments the Jamaican men have been giving me.
Hi guys, welcome back to Megash Reactions. Now listen, every time people travel to Jamaica, they talk about beaches, the food, the music, but somehow they always end up talking about the men. Today we are reacting to why tourist women can't stop talking about Jamaican men. What's cultural, what's misunderstood, and what's the real truth behind the viral stories. Watch till the end, and if you are enjoying the breakdown, subscribe as you watch. Let's get into it.
Let's start with, wow, I would play with them all day. As a greeting, by the way. I didn't even get a hello. Followed by, I got something big and long that I can give you. Very polite, very demure. Followed by, something big and strong can go in that mouth. Oh, and my favorite one has to be, come back here, I got something you can sit on. And that's just by walking from one end of the beach to the other. Right guys, just as we were walking back, I got one more. He's gonna bore a hole into my walls.
The Jamaican man's holler at a bitch technique leaves a lot to be desired. I'm walking down the beach, minding my own business, and suddenly this guy just pops up in front of me. I don't know where he came from. It's like he came out of the sand like a crab. He just... And the leg just blocked my path, and then proceeded to look directly at my vagina. Just, where I go. Me like your pum pum. I don't know if you can tell from my general demeanor, but I'm not a fan of the penis. And lesbian. I was confused by this guy's lack of gaydar. I was confused. I was like, sir, did you not see me walking down this beach wearing Timberlands? So he's just staring at my vagina, just... me like it. Baby, your pum-pum looks...
Yo, Jamaican people are the only people that could insult you and give you a compliment at the same time. The last time I was in Jamaica, this dude had stopped me and my baby father and he was like, Bombad. He was like, your baby mother fat and nice. Like, excuse me, so why I can't just be nice? Then this one shop lady like, your belly big but your face pretty. Like, I don't know whether you're insulting me or giving me a compliment for real. Like, this one guy gonna tell my baby father, brother, you don't need no more. Look how you have plenty. Like, first of all, they be like, oi, fatty, you sweetie. Like, y'all, long story short, going to Jamaica being fat and pretty ain't for the weak. It's definitely a whole nother experience. All the men gonna love you. You're gonna get a ton of compliments. Some of the girls too, but they definitely gonna look at you with a little envy, but they'll get over it.
If you're a baddie and you're having a bad day or you're feeling insecure or you just broke up with a man, go to Jamaica and walk down the street. Walk down any street. It will immediately revitalize your confidence. Every time a Jamaican man sees a woman, he acts like it's his first time seeing a woman ever in his life. I think I just received a bomba clot. You get the point. And Jamaican men love all women, slim, thick, even fat. If your belly is big, they say, don't worry, baby, it's just protecting your pum-pum. And let's not forget, they may not be good fathers, but they're great stepfathers. They will accept you with your children. They will cook for you. They will adore you. They will tell you things that you've never heard in your life. So if you are feeling sad, I encourage you, book the flight, come to Jamaica.
I hear like you're talking about me. I didn't understand.
Say you fat, pum pum fat. You know what I'm telling me?
This
I tell
is
you
what he say.
Yeah,
you
pum,
can
pum,
say
fat.
it, you know.
Say love the fat pum pum and
Yeah, I
tights, you know?
understand. You know, in my country, but if in my country you come to say a woman something like that, hey, you see this one, you will see it from close, very close.
What? Cheek?
She will kick you so hard. Yeah.
Tell her about pum pum.
Yeah.
That's why we Jamaican don't play.
I'm convinced a Jamaican man would never ask you to be their girlfriend. Y'all just exchange numbers one day, and then you've been talking on the phone for a little bit, and he's done cooked for it. He done took you to a river party, took you to a street party, took you to a grave digging, took you to the beach, took you to the dead yard, done climbed a tree and got a coconut for you, picked some mangoes for you. Then you sit up here like, so what are we doing? What are we? And he look at you crazy. He's like, you're my woman. We can let me gonna breed you. So you're like, no, you haven't even asked me to be your girlfriend. So what are you talking about? I'm your woman. So ladies, if you give a Jamaican man your phone number, he start cooking for you and he start taking you places and he start spending money on you, you indeed are his girlfriend. There's no explanation. So don't get the wrong idea and just know what you're getting yourself into.
Something about y'all Jamaican men, I'm not gonna lie, y'all give big dick energy. I'm not even gonna lie. Because y'all know how to talk y'all way into pussy and into a bitch heart at the same fucking time. At this, in the first link, that nigga's gonna be talking about marrying you, bitch. These Jamaican men are crazy ass motherfuckers. Like, they territorial as fuck. Like, they obsessed with you in real life. If you fuck with a Jamaican man, you know that man loved the fuck out of you, okay? Like, and I know because I'm fucking with one right now. That man is crazy. But crazy in love. That's the thing. Crazy in love. Yeah, I love it. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know. Something like, ooh, I don't know, but I love my Jamaican man. I love Jamaican men, but I love my Jamaican man. Shout out to my daddy or whatever. Cause sure, like, yeah.
Baby, let me tell y'all something. Being loved by a Jamaican man gonna be the best thing you have ever experienced in your whole entire life. But when I tell you, child, that shit ain't for the weak, it ain't for the motherfucking weak. Cause this Jamaican man gonna love bomb you so much, and it's gonna feel like heaven and the holy gates done flooded open for you in the beginning. But girl, make it even worse if it's long distance, child. Them niggas gonna have you feeling like you the problem. Cause they the holiest thing that ever walked next to Jesus in his sandals on a Sunday morning. And they gonna take that same God off the cross and say they ain't doing it. It would never, could never be them. And I'm speaking from experience, child. Speaking from fucking experience. And see, I'm a sucker for love. I be acting all aggressive and shit, but I'm a real life lover girl. So I'm gonna be down for all the lovey-dovey shit. But one thing you need to know, you think you blood clot bad? Me badder. And you think them send you for me? Them send blood clot me for TMU. But anyways, go get you a Jamaican man. But just enjoy the time while it lasts. Because it ain't gonna be nothing but just some good sex and good temporary loving and some good food. Yeah, that's.
With a little belly and over your jaws, me like it. Me no like it woman them with six pack like them a blood clot, man. You're alright with a little belly drop over your jaws. Me like them something there. Me like when little belly drop over jaws.
Good morning, my baby. What's up? What's poppin'? What's up? Right, you know, me not tell you, you never know, right, you know, because me not tell you you're sexy, my blood clot. I tell you straight. Look good. So me I deal with the boy, me have to buy it up every day. Trust me. I don't want to be your pussycat. If you want me to be your man, me be your man. If you want me to be your pussycat, me be your pussycat. You know that nice to me. I tell you straight. He said if you live, he said your bedroom there upstairs, you have to go up the step. If your bedroom there, you have to go up the step. That is that nice to me, because you know what I want you to do. But I want you to sit on up at the top of the stage and throw all the whipped cream like your pum pum. I'm just a crawl come like a cat. And up and meow. Me no want a spice, we have ice spice. Oh God. Girl, the body shape good. I feel like I want to pick some berries and give them a feel like
You make me thirsty. You make me thirsty. You make me thirsty. I'm good looking, you love cooking. Blood clot.
What is your name? You just tell your name.
You want oxtail?
My name's Michelle.
Michelle.
Michelle, can you be my girl?
Let me know.
So where you go?
Where you go, girl?
Yo, girl. Yo. No, get him a clutch, you know.
A Jamaican man, a Nigerian man, a Paris man.
Jamaican.
Oh, that's the man you choose.
Kingston.
Why? Why do you like them? Because they have the King's thing?
Yeah.
Why do you like
Is it
King's
allowed to say it?
I mean, but you can say you like it because of the cucumba.
No, of course not. I'm very polite. I like it because they just have different vibes. You know?
Okay.
They know how to sing.
My brother's from Jamaica. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Are you boom?
How do you say this girl is so sexy in Italy?
Questa ragazza è molto sexy.
Yeah. Say it again one more time. I need to say it.
Questa ragazza è molto sexy.
How would you say the men are in America compared to Jamaica?
Oh, in Jamaica, they are very aggressive. They are straightforward. Come here, let me whisper something in your ear. And I'm like, what? You ever had your sucked? And I'm like...
A Jamaican said that?
Like, I had to go. I was like, yeah, no.
Jamaican men will spot you and they won't even court you. They won't even like build up slowly. They will spot you and tell you that they want you to be their wife immediately. I have never met the biggest love bombers until I met a Jamaican man. Now tell me why I'm at a kid's birthday party and I see a little girl crying and instantly mommy instincts click immediately. So I go and pick her up. I'm like, where's your mommy? She's like, oh, my mommy's not here, but my daddy is. So I'm comforting her because she's crying. So I think like one of the kids knocked her over. So I'm like, okay, let's go find daddy. Mind you, the dad was watching me the whole entire time from across the room. So I'm going up to people. I'm like, hey, like, do you guys know who her dad is? Hey, are you dad? Are you dad? The dad is just watching me, not saying a word. I turn the corner, I lock eyes with somebody, and he's like, I'm the dad. But he looking at me like in a seductive way. And so I didn't know it was really seductive yet. In my head, I thought he was looking at me like, why do you have my child? So I'm like, okay. So I walk over, and I hand him the child. I was like, one of the kids knocked her over, so she started crying. I think she just needed to be comforted. And then he looked at me, and he was like, you be a good stepmother. Huh? I said, oh, no. I already have two. I'm okay. He said, I said stepmother. And I said, no, sir. And I had to walk away. Okay.
So, in this video, we are seeing women from different countries. America, the UK, Europe, all sharing very similar reactions. They are saying things like, I was not prepared. Men don't talk like this where I come from. The confidence shocked me, and this is important because these reactions aren't coming from one woman or one platform. They are coming from everywhere. So the question isn't, are Jamaican men special? The real question is, what is happening culturally that creates this reaction? One of the first things women mention is how direct Jamaican men are. In many Western cultures, men are taught, don't be too forward, don't complicate too much, don't compliment too much, don't say what you feel. In Jamaica, that's not really the culture. Compliments are normal, conversation is expressive, teasing, humor, wordplay, that's everyday life. So when a Jamaican man says, "You look good," "You pretty bad," "You have a nice energy," to locals, that's normal interaction. To tourists, it feels bold, confident, and intense. And that's where the first cultural shock happens. Another thing women talk about a lot is confidence. Not flashy confidence, not money confidence, but presence. Jamaican men often hold eye contact, speak clearly, stand comfortably in who they are, aren't afraid of conversation. That confidence comes from culture. Jamaica is a very social society. People talk, people joke, people reason. So when a tourist woman meets a man who isn't shy, isn't awkward, isn't afraid to express himself, it feels refreshing, especially if she comes from a place where men are emotionally closed off. Let's talk about charisma, because this comes up constantly. Jamaican culture is rhythmic. The language has flow. Even storytelling is animated. So when Jamaican men communicate, it often feels engaging, intentional, emotionally present. Tourist women often say, "He made me feel seen." But here is something important to understand. Charisma does not automatically mean commitment. Someone can be charming and still be casual. Someone can be expressive and still be living in the moment. This is where misunderstandings sometimes happen. Some women describe Jamaican men as love bombers. They say, "He talked about marriage first. He said I was his future. He spoke very emotionally early on." Now let's put cultural context here. Jamaica has a strong oral tradition. People express emotion freely. Big words don't always mean big promises. In Jamaica culture, talk is expressive, emotion is verbal, words are flexible, so what feels like serious planning to a tourist can feel like romantic expression to a Jamaican man. That difference in interpretation matters a lot. Something many women genuinely praise is how nurturing Jamaican men can be. In many Jamaican households, men cook, men care for children, men show affection through action. Food is a big deal in Jamaica. Cooking for someone is a form of love and respect. So when a man prepares meals, checks if you've eaten, makes sure you are comfortable, tourist women often feel deeply cared for, because that level of attentiveness may not be common back home. This part of the conversation is often very real and sincere. Now, we also have to talk about reality. Yes, passport boys exist. Yes, some men work tourist areas. Yes, some relationships are meant for the vacation only. But isn't unique to Jamaica. You see this in many tourist countries around the world. The key issues is expectation. Vacation energy is not everyday life. Holiday romance doesn't always survive real world pressure. That doesn't make Jamaican men dishonest. It means tourism creates a temporary bubble. So why do women keep talking about Jamaican men long after leaving? Because Jamaican offers warmth, human connection, social energy, emotional presence. In a world where many people feel ignored or rushed, that kind of interaction leaves a lasting impression. What women are reacting to isn't just men, it's Jamaican culture showing up through men. Jamaican men are not a stereotype. They are not all the same. They are not a fantasy. They are individuals shaped by culture, history, language, environment, Some are serious, some are playful, some are just enjoying the moment. The real lesson here is this. When culture meet, connection and confusion can exist at the same time. And Jamaica, it leaves an impression through its people. If you enjoy this breakdown, like the video, share your thoughts respectfully in the comments, and subscribe to Megash Reactions for more culture, identity, and real conversations. Until next time, one love.